Imagine a school event that sparks creativity, fuels innovation, and inspires young minds. Welcome to Creativity Live, the high-energy show that gets students thinking like visionaries. Through interactive demonstrations and hands-on participation, students explore how creative thinking has changed the world. We bring history's greatest innovators to life, showing how creativity shaped their ideas in science, technology, and the arts. From art to engineering, poetry to problem solving, every student discovers their own creative potential. We take traditional art techniques and use them in unexpected ways, like creating amazing spin art with a power drill. It's creativity like you've never seen before. Students are engaged, inspired, and left with a newfound excitement for learning. This is an assembly they'll never forget. Bring creativity live to your school and inspire the next generation of creative problem solvers. Book a show today to learn more. Let's spark creativity together.